français avec Deepika. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre les articles partitifs. Les articles partitifs. Alors, on y va. So guys, today we are going to learn partitive articles. So there are 4 partitive articles. Du, the la, the le apostrophe and they. Now, first thing is that how these articles are formed. So these articles are formed by mixing of preposition the and definite articles. For example, du is formed by the plus le. Du is formed by the plus le. So as you know, le is used with masculine singular words. So du will also be used with masculine and singular words. In the same way, the la is formed by mixing of the preposition with la article, the plus la, which forms the la. So the la will be going to use with feminine and singular words. Now, the la apostrophe is formed by mixing of the plus l apostrophe article, which is used with the masculine or feminine, whichever word will be, but it should be started with a vowel or silent h. They will be used with plural words. So now we are going to clear this concept with the help of some examples. So let's start from first example. Je veux dash tea. I need some tea. So for tea we are going to use du te, as tea is a masculine word. So je veux du te. Next, je bois dash eau means I drink some water. So we are going to write the lo, as e is vowel. So we are going to write the l apostrophe. So je bois de l'eau. Now next, tu achètes dash pomme. Tu achètes dash pomme. You buy some apples. So apples plural is there. So we are going to use des pommes. Tu achètes des pommes. Next, nous mangeons dash confiture. Confiture is a feminine word. So we are going to use de la confiture. Nous mangeons de la confiture. Next, je mange dash salad. Je mange dash salad. So I eat some salad. Je mange de la salade because it is feminine word. So je mange de la salade. Next, je veux dash argent. Je veux dash argent means I need some money. So as you can see, a is vowel. So we are going to write the l apostrophe. So it will be je veux de l'argent. Je veux de l'argent. Je mange dash poisson. Poisson means fish. Means I eat some fish. So like poisson is a masculine word. So we are going to use du poisson. Je mange du poisson. Next. Je veux dash crème. Crème is a feminine word. So we are going to use je veux de la crème. Means I want some cream. First, we need to clear this concept where we are going to use preposition the and where we are going to use partitive articles. For example, if I am going to say j'ai du fromage. J'ai du fromage means I have some cheese. I don't know how much. So for some I am going to use partitive article. J'ai du fromage. If I am going to say I have 500 grams of cheese, then I am going to say j'ai 500 the fromage. So here you can see that I am using the preposition because in this I know the proper quantity that I need. If I am going to say I have some milk, I am going to write j'ai du lait. I have some milk. For some I have used du. But if I am going to say I have 1 liter of milk, I have some specific quantity of milk, then I am going to say j'ai un litre de lait, means I am having 1 liter of milk. So here it is specified, so we are going to use the. Now if you are going to say I have some apples, j'ai des pommes. J'ai des pommes means I have some apples. If you are going to say I have 1 kilo of apples, then you are going to write j'ai un kilo de pommes. So here we are going to use the with pomme. So for defining specific quantity we are going to use preposition, and the quantity that we don't know we are going to use for some, we are going to use partitive articles. Now we are going to do the concept of negation. In negative sentences we don't use partitive articles. We only use preposition the. If you are writing I ate some apples, j'ai mangé des pommes. I ate some apples. But in negation we are going to write je n'ai pas mangé de pommes. I did not eat any apple. We are going to write j'ai de la confiture. I have some jam. If you are going to write it in negative sentence, then you are going to write it as je n'ai pas de confiture. I don't have jam. You are not going to write I don't have some jam. So you are going to change from the la to the. So in negative sentences you are going to use only the preposition. So guys, I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Au revoir.